In business for over 100 years, Desjardins is Canada's largest cooperative financial group and a leading provider of insurance and investment products for millions of Canadians. I'm Hal Roberts, and I'm in downtown Toronto talking with Jeff Locke. He's the Senior Regional Sales Director, and we're going to talk about critical illness insurance, an insurance that you need, but hopefully you'll never have to use. Insurance is vital for a business owner, Jeff, but what about individual insurance for people? How important is that?
It's a great question, Hal. When it comes to individual insurance, business professionals tend to focus on life insurance. They realize the importance in the event of an untimely death, protecting their loved ones. And it should be part of their individual plan. There's also a second component that is key as well, and that's called living benefits. And living benefits is important. It's otherwise known as health insurance because it protects against lost productivity or loss of income in the event of an illness. Oftentimes we refer to this in the industry as a forgotten hazard. At the end of the day, it's like a tailor-made suit. It's customized, built for you based on your own individual need and budget.
Let's say I have a construction company, or maybe I work as a drywall contractor, and I get cancer, or maybe there's a heart attack, and I want to really protect my family and my business. There's critical illness insurance. How does that actually work for me?
If you develop an illness such as cancer, heart attack, or stroke, or any other dread disease that's covered in the contract, the benefit gets paid out to you tax-free. If you remain healthy and you don't have an illness, the benefit gets paid out to you tax-free, and that's known as a return of premium on benefits. So all premiums paid into the contract get paid out. And unfortunately, if you were to die, we also would pay out the benefit to your estate or your named beneficiary. And with Desjardins, that's unique to the industry. We have the best return of premium on death benefit in that we pay the greater of 25% of the coverage amount or the actual premiums paid. So in the initial years, you're going to actually be better with a Desjardins insurance contract than any other policy in the industry.
It sounds like bundling insurance really may be the way to go because one type of insurance may not cover it all. What are the advantages of bundling for a business owner?
At Desjardins, we actually have a turnkey strategy here, which we call the Executive Health Savings Plan. And it's a way for a business owner to hold insurance with his or her company. You have to be an incorporated business owner or professional. The business owner shares the rights and obligations, the benefits of the plan. It's a co-ownership strategy. And the way it's set up, it's a little bit differently than personally owned critical insurance in that there's two pieces. There's the business and there's the shareholder. So the business would be, if you die or if you get an illness, the business would receive the benefits tax-free into the business. And if you remain healthy, the shareholder receives the benefits tax-free. And the big key to that is that they receive all of the premiums, so both corporately paid as well as personally paid. At the end of the day, it's the bang for your buck is there. You can liken it to being an investment in your health that also gets paid out to you, should you remain healthy. So with the Desjardins insurance product, you're covered for your health, you're covered for your death, you're covered for critical illness, and we even added a feature with our most recent product update, which will cover you for long-term care as well.
What are the advantages for me as a business owner, Jeff, working with a licensed insurance professional?
Dealing with someone who's qualified or licensed, it's like going to a doctor or to a dentist. We don't do our own diagnosis typically, and we don't do our own dental work. So in terms of financial services or insurance, you want to go see someone who's qualified and who's licensed. It's just like a tailor-made suit in that the licensed insurance professional will build and design a plan based on your own need and your own budget.
Well, I've learned a lot here today, especially about insurance. Thank you so much, Jeff. I appreciate you joining us.
Thank you, Hal.
To find out more about Desjardins Insurance, go to Desjardinslifeinsurance.com.